In this video, let's talk about Fabric IQ. Now, before I talk about Fabric IQ, let me go one step back and explain you about different IQs that are currently available and has been proposed by Microsoft in the recent Ignite event. Fabric IQ, basically, which we are going to see, it is all related to Microsoft Fabric. It brings the business meaning to the data. Work IQ, when you think about work IQ, it's all about Microsoft 365 services. It provides signals on how your company operates, and basically, it provides a context to the users. It understands the users' uh, preferences, tone, way the user interacts, the frequent collaborators, and it provides that context. So, data, it collects the data from various Microsoft 365 services, stores the pattern within the memory, and then infers on basis of the data collected. Foundry IQ, it's all about unifying its centralized access to knowledge and to ground every agent with the right context. So it's all about Azure AI or Foundry, Microsoft Foundry services. Coming to Fabric IQ is a unified intelligence platform powered by semantic understanding and the agentic AI. So this keyword is important. Unified intelligence platform. Semantic foundation, basically it's all about providing meaningful data. So semantic foundation unites the data, provides that business meaning and action in a unified view. Now, a data model built across different enterprises will have a different meaning depending on where it is implemented, be it like a sales, be it like a workshop, be it like a supply chain, be it like in a different industry like medical domain, pharma domain, and those kind of, say, retail or hospitality. Now, every data which you prepare or the every structure which you prepare needs to be understood by an agent. It's not only about just looking into the column name and understanding or deciphering what that information is. It's all about providing that meaningful knowledge around that particular data model. It provides that new semantic intelligence layer within Microsoft Fabric. It is a backbone for every team, apps, and AI agents. Now, in Fabric IQ, the data, meaning, and action converges. It is a backbone, it's a semantic backbone for an organization's data. Now, this is how the diagram looks like for Microsoft Fabric. I've taken it from Microsoft Fabric site. Now, in a nutshell, Microsoft Fabric is a unified data platform for AI transformation. So when you see this block over here, the IQ, which is the Fabric IQ block, it has got various components like the semantic models. There's an ontology, there's a digital twin, there's a graph. There are a couple of agents like the data agents and the operations agent. Underline, it takes help of the Fabric platform, which includes the Copilot, the storage area one lake, and the governance. Now, one lake, it's for the structured, for the unstructured data, powered by governance, which basically provides a guardrails to your entire Fabric infrastructure. Now, I'll go through each and every item in the next slide. But before than that, just have a look into the slide over here. Now observe, analyze, act, and decide. So you have AI agents and teams. So you have an entity type, say a flight, and then say take for example there are data. So data has properties, it has actions, it has rules, it has semantics, and it has an objective around it. Now, ontology, it's a live unified view of that business. So again, going back, act, decide, analyze, observe, AI agents and team, the AI agents understand. So ontology to semantic understanding. And when you say properties of an entity, identifier, attributes, metrics, time series, actions like else, rules like conditions, semantics, and objectives. So basically, it provides you those information at a single glance. Now, these are the different blocks which we have seen over here, like semantic model, ontology, graph, data agents, operation agents, and digital twins. Let's look into each and every option over here. Semantic model. So that's the core foundation. Basically, it provides the BI definition for your work area. Ontology, it's a shared model of business entities. So ontology involves the entities, relationship, some rules, constraints, conditions, and objectives. Now, multiple entities are linked with some sort of a relationship. So, native graph engine basically for multi hop reasoning and system wide insights. So, graph provides that relationship between different siloed entities, uh, and we have other agents like the data agents and the operations agents. So, data agents provide business questions using structured business meaning. So, it is all about data, uh, information deciphering. Operations agents, autonomous agents that basically reason, learn, and act in real time to advance outcome. So it is like an autonomous agent, so which operates independently. Then we have a digital twin. So digital twin is a virtual representation of the real world assets, process, or systems that are synchronized with the real time data. Now, ontology. So, as you have seen in that animated visual, like we have an image of a plane. Now, image of a plane, and then we have like various different entities. Like there is flight, there is an operations, there's a ground operation, there is a staff, there is a servicing of the flight, the servicing of the engine, catering, etc. Now, ontology defines the formal model of a business. So this keyword is important. Formal model of business that capture things that matters for that specific context. So when we talk about an airline industry, we have flights, we have pilots, and we have services. Now flights can be specific to commercial or say other systems or services. Now when you say pilot means it's all about pilot ground staff. So that entire area is different. So it's all about scheduling. It is all about servicing of the flight engine, servicing of the flight operations, scheduling of the flight. And then when you look into the ground operations, so it includes baggage services, it includes catering services, it includes fuel services. So those kind of things, it basically ontology defines a formal model of that business that captures things that matter within that context, their relationship, their governing rules and actions that can be taken. Now, organization can build their own ontology. Like as I mentioned to you, if you're only focusing on operational part, you can build your own ontology. If you're focusing only on the schedule or rostering part of your flight engineers or uh, pilots or cabin staff or cabin crew, you can build your own ontology using the existing Power BI model. Now, organization can build the models using no code visual tools. Ontology can adapt as the business evolves, so that's not static, and it is governed using the built-in capabilities of Fabric. Now, business concepts enabled by ontology. Now there are, as we saw in the diagram, it showed you different entity type, relationship type, properties, actions, rules. So what are these components? Now when you look into the entity type, it's basically a real world representation, right, of the abstract concepts that the business manages. Relationship types, that is basically the relationship between multiple entities. So how one entity is linked to another entity, what are the relationship, whether it is one to many, many to many, or one is to one. Properties, the facts that describes the state, actions, the operations that can be performed of an entity. You can think about it as like a class. You have a class, you have a method of functions, and class has its properties. Similarly, you have a rules like event-driven triggers that basically initiates that action. So that's all about Fabric IQ. Now I'll just show you a brief overview on app.powerbi.com. Now here, this is like an interface like for Power BI. So if I click on create, I get an option to start building a report. I can go into I can get data. I can get data from Excel, CSV, paste manually, or I can perform all these operations. Now, there's a concept of workspace. Now, within a workspace, I have an option to click on new item. So if I click on new item over here, then I get to see various options. Like if you see all items, I can perform various operations like visualize data, getting the data, storing the data, preparing the data, analyzing and training the data, tracking the data, and developing and mirroring the data, and then finally distributing the data. Now I've just marked something in favorites over here. Now the the PowerPoint presentation which I just showed you, it had some of these things like ontology, data agent, digital twin builder, graph model, operations agent, semantic model. Now, what are all these things? The semantic model basically combines the data sources in a semantic model to visualize or share it. So, as you see over here, when I create a report or a dashboard, I have a semantic model as a base. I operate on that semantic model, I establish that relationship, and then I can generate visuals, reports, dashboard, etc. Ontology, it unifies the enterprise semantics across data, models, and logic to operationalize the decision intelligence and the context aware AI agents. Then we have a graph model. Basically, it explores the data and build algorithms with graph. We have a couple of agents, digital data agent and the operations agent. So data agent build a generative AI agent that understands your data and can answer complex question in a variety of conversational interface. So it focuses on the data, and then based on the prompt which you type in, it parses the information within the data. So that's a semantic model, and then try giving you the responses back. Operations agent, it's an AI agent to basically monitor real-time data. So that is not, user is not interacting with that operations agent. So you can just monitor real-time data and then recommend some business action. So the agent is intelligent enough to suggest you the next course of action. With the digital twin builder, you can accelerate operational intelligence across your enterprise with digital twin capabilities. So that's it, folks. This is all about Fabric IQ. So, just to reiterate what a Fabric IQ is a unified intelligence platform powered by the semantic understanding and agentic AI. Important keyword to remember: semantic, the meaning of the data. So, new semantic intelligence layer within the Microsoft Fabric ecosystem, semantic backbone for every team, apps, and AI agent, and it is a semantic backbone for your entire organization data. So, it's all about getting meaningful information from your data, not just to retrieve information, but then to get into the mode of suggesting the next best action or alerting of a specific event. Thanks for watching.